There's the snow pellet on the roof. This is now at 9:30. And it's still snowing a little bit. And you can see down Main Street, the hard part to tell is that there are like 5-foot drifts on either side. If a car would come, you would see that there's a very narrow road, but the wind is still blowing. And on that corner over there, a plow got stuck last night. You can see the businesses down the street. And then over here, there's one window. You can even see the bushes there. And the house across the street on their roof. And the sun is trying to come out. But, as you can see, the snow is piled up deep. You can't tell the difference between the driveway and the bushes down there. So every window has snow piled up on it. And then over here, you can see the drift. I'm trying to get so you can see. Down Louise Street is not much better.